How to connect Vista Social to Zapier.
Want to automate your workflow beyond social media?
Connect Vista Social to Zapier and link your tools together seamlessly. Whether it's Slack, Google Sheets, or Trello, Zapier bridges the gap.
Start by logging into your Zapier account and searching for the Vista Social app. Once found,
click Connect and follow the prompts to link your Vista Social account. You'll need to authenticate your account using your login credentials or an API key. Now you can create zaps, automation recipes that trigger actions.
For example, when you publish a new post in Vista Social,
a row can be added to a Google Sheet, or a message can be sent in Slack.
This connection boosts productivity by automating reporting, tracking, or team updates.
If you're new to Vista Social, sign up with the link in the description.
Once you're connected to Zapier, the real power of automation begins.
Integrating Vista Social with Zapier helps you run your marketing like a machine, efficient and hands-free.